In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rows or columns bigger in Google Sheets. If you're working on a spreadsheet and your text looks cramped, cut off, or just difficult to read, adjusting the size of your rows and columns can make a big difference. The good news is that Google Sheets makes this really simple once you know exactly where to place your cursor. To get started, go to your Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you want to make the changes. Once you're inside the sheet, decide whether you want to make a column wider or a row taller. If you want to resize a column, move your cursor to the top of the sheet where the column letters are displayed. Find the column you want to adjust, then hover your cursor over the right side border of that column header. This is the vertical line separating one column from the next. Be careful to hover directly over the border because that's what allows Google Sheets to recognize that you want to resize the column rather than select it. Keep your cursor there for a moment and wait for it to change into a double arrow icon. That icon is the signal that the border is ready to be dragged. Once you see it, click and drag the line to the right to expand the column. As you drag, the column becomes wider, which gives your data more room and can make longer text much easier to view. Now, if you want to make a row bigger instead, look to the left side of the sheet where the row numbers appear. Find the row you want to change, then hover over the bottom border of that row number. Just like with columns, you want to position your cursor precisely on the borderline so the resize control appears. When you're in the right spot, click and drag the line downward to increase the row height. This is especially helpful if a row contains larger text, wrapped content, or anything that needs more vertical space to display clearly. That's all there is to it. Resizing columns and rows in Google Sheets is a quick manual adjustment that helps organize your spreadsheet and improve readability. If the sizing doesn't look right on the first try, you can simply drag again until it feels just right. Once you get used to spotting those border lines and the double arrow cursor, this becomes one of the fastest formatting adjustments you can make in any sheet.